Gateau is one of the most common street food in Cameroon as it is found in almost every street. Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. So fam, today I'm going to be giving you the secret to this perfect gateau. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, the first thing we're going to be doing is to add some sugar and yeast into warm milk and let it sit for about 10 minutes so our yeast could proof. If your yeast doesn't rise, it means the yeast is not good. While you're proving your yeast, go ahead and mix your dry ingredients. So fam, our yeast is ready. We're gonna go ahead and mix the wet and dry ingredients. So fam, once you're gonna mix everything, you realize that the mixture is still gonna be soft. That's why you need a cup of flour that you're gonna put at the side just to add until you get the right consistency. So fam, once that is ready, go ahead and apply a generous amount of flour on the chopping board. Put your mixture there and use your hands to gently knead until you get a right consistency. So fam, if your dough is going to be sticky, go ahead and add some vegetable oil on your hand or use some flour and gently knead and keep adding flour as you go. So fam, once your dough has come together, shape it into the form of a ball and use a bench scraper to divide it in equal parts. So fam, now we want to shape our gateau. What we're going to be doing is to take each of the cut dough and just pull it inward on all the sides until we get a round ball. So fam, once you've gotten your round ball, you want to go ahead and use the palm of your hand to actually rub it so it seals the open end. So fam, you're gonna repeat the same process for the other ones, and once that is done, use a kitchen cloth to cover it and let it sit for about an hour or an hour 30 minutes, and then it's ready to be fried. So fam, make sure that the oil you're gonna be frying your gateau in is not very hot because you don't want a situation where it's gonna get brown outside but inside is really not ready. Wow fam, our gateau is ready. Look at that. Give yourself a treat as usual. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.